The engine not available. Service. Soon warning in your Chevy Volt indicates a problem within the Voltec hybrid powertrain system. This system is crucial for allowing the gasoline engine to work in conjunction with the electric motor. The Voltec system integrates the gasoline engine with the electric motor for optimal performance. When the INAS warning appears, the engine might not engage, forcing the car to run solely on electric power. This can reduce performance or activate limp home mode. Common causes include hybrid battery issues like cell imbalance, faulty sensors such as the battery control module, software glitches in the hybrid control module, or problems with the DC-DC converter. Environmental factors like extreme temperatures can also trigger the warning. Start troubleshooting by using an OBD2 scanner to read diagnostic trouble codes. For a simple fix, disconnect the 12-volt battery for 10 minutes to reset the system. For battery-related problems, recalibrate using GM's Service Programming System software. Install GM software updates from 2023-2024 for 2016-2019 volts to address INAS triggers. Check for open recalls, such as NASAM 24V123 for 2014-2016 volts, addressing DC-DC converter failures. If the battery is faulty, consider third-party remanufactured batteries as replacements. Prevent future issues with regular battery conditioning and avoiding deep discharges.